So one issue that you might encounter on a Lenovo IdeaPad 3 laptop is that sometimes the screen will remain black and the laptop will stay in sleep mode, meaning that even if you press the power button, it will remain like that. You can press any other key, but the screen will stay black. So how to fix this issue? In my case, I've noticed that after I would remove anything that is connected to USB, in this case I have the wireless mouse connected, so if you remove it, and here I have a normal USB stick, I just remove it. Then let's say that the laptop is in sleep mode, like this. After I power it on, it will start as normal. So this is in my case how I managed to get rid of the issue. Probably the laptop just cannot start because these USB devices are connected for some reason, but in my case it worked like that, so it's worth a try. Alright, so I hope that you found the video useful. If you did, please subscribe, and thank you for watching.